Toy tool use. Give your child a wrench and you are not just fixing a toy, you are building real world strength. Let's turn playtime into powerful hand practice. This playful tool activity helps build real world hand strength and control, perfect for kids learning to write, twist caps, or button clothes. Let your child use a toy screwdriver to twist plastic screws into holes or squeeze toy pliers to pick up small objects. You can also try hammering toy nails into foam or cardboard. Start with larger tools and wider screws. You can support the object they are working on so it stays steady. Make it more fun by asking your child to fix something. Tighten all bolts, hammer nails in order, or race against a timer to finish a job. Toy tools do more than mimic. They train the hands for real-life tasks. One twist at a time, your child is getting stronger and more independent.